See you later, Patrick.
Come on, eat, eat, eat!
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Fairfield County, eastern Franklin County, Licking County, until 3 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Bryce, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Locations in the path of the storm include Summit Station, Pawhuasca, Beechwood Trails, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Granville South, Granville, Heath, Newark, Utica, Hanover. In addition, Etna, State Route 158 at State Route 204, Jersey, Kirkersville, State Route 310 at State Route 161, Alexandria and St. Louisville are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 107 and 131. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Please report tornadoes, final clouds, strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Tuesday afternoon for northeastern Kentucky and southwest Ohio.
SpongeBob, nothing's gonna happen to you.